Hey, it's Sadie Styles. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm going to show you how to do a bridal inspired French updo in under 1 minute.
First, I'm going to start off with a clean canvas, and I'm going to take the hair at the top and tease it for extra volume. You can tease as much as you see fit. Now I'm going to take the hair and I'm going to pull it into a low ponytail. You want to take this opportunity to smooth the hair to your liking. Then I'm going to take my Matrix hairspray and I'm going to spray the hair to hold it in place. Now I'm going to hold the hair with one hand and take 2 fingers and twist the hair around my 2 fingers and wrap my fingers around to lock the French roll in. I'm going to take the ends and stuff it so that I can add padding to the bottom of my French roll. You're all done. Now you can add as many pins as you want to hold your hairstyle. Take this opportunity to customize your French roll as much as you want. You could pull some of the hair out at the top, make it as big as you want so you can see it from the front. Use your holding spray to secure your French roll for you to last throughout the night. Now I'm just going to smooth the hairs, framing the face, and remove some hair so that it can be sparse and look natural. You can decide how you want to curl the hair, framing the face. I went for a slight curl. This video was inspired by Alex Gabori. Thank you, Alex. This really did take a minute.